Hello, what's up? Today in this video I want to show you how you can record your screen with free software. And the free software I'm using is OBS Studio. It is completely free. You don't have to pay for it. And you know what, you can use this to create an online course that you can sell as a digital product. So this is recording whatever that is going on my screen. Assuming I have a student that I am teaching now, that I'm lecturing online, I can be doing something and send it over to them. So whatever I'm doing on my screen, they are seeing it. Alright, I want this video to be as brief as possible. If you like this video, I'd like you to join my WhatsApp group where I'll be giving you more free stuff like this. If you like this video, share with your friends and family. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.